Yes everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I would say cooking video, but not really cooking. Not really cooking, right? Yeah, typical Jamaican breakfast with items you can find in Germany easily, because I know my other videos have some weird items you can't really get here. Cooked banana.
Cooked banana.
You can't say that cock something on TV.
Nicht cook, Kochbank.
This morning we're going to make some typical Jamaican pressed plantain with something like sardines, yeah? Or you can use eggs, egal. Most important, cooked banana. So, let's go. Okay, so what we have right here, what's this in German? Huh? Yeah, that word. Cooked banana, onion, garlics, paprika as usual, have avocado just as a little extra. Some sardines, knife, oil, and definitely you will need a kitchen towel. Clean kitchen towel. I'm gonna explain the reason why shortly. Anyway guys, a quick detail about the plantain, just good information. When you peel this, when you get the skin away, it's going to be very sticky, stainy as people call it, on the hands. Most people don't like that because I definitely don't. You could peel the skin off directly under the pipe, or you could put some oil on the hands so it doesn't stick or stain. So after you peel the skin off, you're going to give it some nice little slices. Not too big, we don't want them too big, yeah? Not a real chef, but I can do my thing. So, this kitchen towel for the hands, that's for the plantain. Two separate towels. So of course we're gonna leave the oil to be heated a bit, and then we're gonna take it from there. So anyway guys, let me be real about something. Plantain, you have to eat it warm. When it's cold, don't taste good at all. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare the sardine in the meantime, so that when the plantain is finished, sardine already finished, we can eat that warm right away. It's good when you eat it warm, super nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the vegetables. You know the deal already: paprika, a little bit of garlic, onion, and all that stuff, and give that sardine some nice flavor. Understand? Yes, so the oil for the plantain is hot enough. Again, you don't want to have that too hot, because plantain is very easy to burn, so keep that in mind. You may be wondering why I have such a big frying pan, such a small amount of plantains. Very good reason. Yeah, we have our plantain slice, not too big, not too small, good enough size, yeah? You can do one of two things. Yeah? You can add a little salt to this and put it in the pan directly, or you could put it in the pan first, and when you press it, then you add a little salt, because you're gonna have to fry it twice. Yes. So guys, we don't want them to be brown, we want them to have a light yellowish kind of look to them, eh? Not burn. It's just sardine, quick, easy, simple. Just a little bit of them things, yeah, paprika and all them stuff, and if you want you could add a little salt maybe, yeah, to bring the taste up a bit, or you could add some of your favorite seasoning again to get the taste a bit, and just add the sardine in. Super simple. Some people like to add a little mayo in it, if you like. Hey boy, our plantains are ready. Take them from the pot, then we get to the pressing. You don't want them burn but soft. You need them to be soft, that's the aim. Yeah, because you see it easily, so easy inside. We're gonna add some salt in this little. You wanna find out what this tool was for? Let's find out. Most people can't really manage the heat, so this tool you use to actually press the plant inside. You could fold it, or you could use one of these things on the outside. So what you do now, you put the planting and the cloth like that, and you this, and you try to get that as flat as you can, no? Yeah, einfach so. German coming, learning Deutsch, oder? Einfach so. So the reason why I use that bigger pot, because when they are so flat, take much more space. And this way the planting is like super crunchy, you know. Understand, Shatsi? Really crunchy on the edges. So, nice. They're already fried, so within minute and a half you can take them from the pot. So we have a little bit of salt. So what you're going to do now, you're going to just add a little bit of salt on it. You could add the salt before, but I don't like it that way. So after you add the salt, directly back to the pan. Not too much salt, you know. Actually, this is my way of doing it. You understand, Shatsi? Yeah. Anyway guys, so all finished, yeah. Jamaican fried plantain with sardines. Simple, you can use eggs, whatever you like. This is mostly for breakfast, not really dinner or lunch, yeah. And yeah, that's it. So please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click that little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload my new video.
Oh wow.